Vivo is making the X100s, X100s Pro, and X100 Ultra official on May 13th, which is next Monday. The prices for the trio have already been leaked recently, and today a new leak over on Weibo gives us some details about the phones, X100s and X100s Pro, the first of which will have flat sides and front panel. It has a flat edge display, and a similar color scheme. The power button and volume keys are located on the right side of the phone. Vivo X100s is expected to feature a FHD Plus display with a 1.5K pixels resolution. The Vivo X100s is tipped to come in 3 color options: white, black, cyan. Vivo will unveil the X100SM, likely with a Dimensity 9300 Plus chip with higher clock Cortex-X4, 3.4 GHz. With 16 GB of RAM and boot Android 14 OS out of the box. The camera island has a knurled ring and 4 cameras. The camera system is seemingly unchanged from the X100s Pro, which entails a 15 to 70mm setup with a 15mm ultra-wide, a 70mm periscope, and a 50MP f/1.6 main camera. The smartphone is also powered by 5000 mAh battery with 100W wired fast charging support. The Vivo X100 started at 4,999 Chinese yuan for 12GB and 256GB. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.